Hello my love, this is your girl Kiamani and I'm back at it again with another video, and this wig is from Ishow hair. This is a 26-inch straight lace front wig, and I actually was lurking on Arrogante's Instagram and I seen this deep side part moment, jet black straight wig that he had did on someone else's head, and I'm like, yeah, I want to recreate that look. So what I did was I did bleach the knots off camera, and as you can see, I kind of messed it up just a little bit on the side, but that's a super easy fix. And then once I got the part the way I wanted it to be, I just continued on plucking the hairline. So this hairline, as you can see, it actually wasn't even that bad. I just had to go in just a little bit, and I would definitely recommend when you are plucking, you want to make sure you have some fresh and sharp, what am I trying to say, fresh, new, sharp tweezers, just because those tweezers are really hard to pluck. Like, it's going to take you 30 times as long, and it will even, like, I've even had old tweezers like rip holes in my lace because of the tugging, and it's just not right, girl. These things are $1, so make sure you stock up on, use some tweezers and keep them nice and fresh. And then once I did that, we were basically kind of done. Like, once you bleach the knots, I feel like after that you are like basically almost done, especially with this style. And I definitely think, like I always say, that bleaching your knots is essential. I did not used to bleach my knots, believe it or not, but once I did one time, I'm like, yeah, I can never not bleach my knots. So that's what I did. And after I plucked the hairline, I just went in some more and plucked the part just a little bit because I wanted her to look very scalpiana-ish, and that's what we needed. So this wig, like I said before, is a 26-inch straight lace front, and I would say that the actual hair on the wig is full from root to tip, and sometimes that's hard to find when you are, searching for a long wig, because some companies do try to jip you with your inches. So yeah, but you'll see the full wig once I put her on. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the Eco Styler just to give me a little slick down moment. And even though this wig is naturally straight, when I did wet her, I got just a hint of a wave, which is cute. I like that. I like that a lot. And I like the color of her. She actually looks jet black, even though I did not dye her. Jet black is just, I love it on my skin tone. So next, obviously, you do need to cut the lace before you attach her to your head. So that is what I'm doing. This lace was a pretty good color. I've seen, I don't think this was transparent lace. It might have been Swiss lace though, because it was very soft. But yeah, after I cut the lace, I did just, tack her down the usual way that I do. And that was kind of it for the style. It was super easy, and that was one of the reasons why I did want to try this style out, because I knew it would be super easy. But I do need to go in and redo my braids, because I feel like my braids aren't laying as flat as I would like them to. So I am going to do that. I'm also going to do another video on this unit, because I do want to show you how she looks naturally, well, not naturally, but like flat ironed. So this is a natural like luster and like texture, I would say, after you washed her, but she is straight hair, so I do want to straighten her out just to show you what she would look like with this side part, period. And yeah, so after you did your little slick down little number, girl, you are good, you are ready, you are set to go. This was so easy, and it really took me only like about maybe 20 minutes to make this wig like this. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on her will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.